What is the difference between val and var in Kotlin? In Kotlin, variables can be declared using either val or var. Val is used to declare a read-only variable. Once a value is assigned, it cannot be changed. Think of val as a constant, similar to final in Java. Var is used to declare a mutable variable. This means you can change its value later. In practice, always use val unless you truly need to change the value. This improves code safety and predictability. What are the basic data types available in Kotlin? Kotlin provides a set of built-in data types to work with different kinds of values. Here are the most common. Int, for whole numbers like 10, -5, or 1000. Double, for decimal numbers like 3.14 or 10.5. Boolean, for true or false. String, for a sequence of characters like hello Kotlin. Char, for a